Hello, my name is Craig Stevens. I'm with the MarineMax in North Key Largo. I'm here today to introduce you to the Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless, what they call the Pro. Pro is where it shows up here, the upper station, or has a driving station up top, which we'll show again in a few minutes how that works. I just wanted to show you the beautiful lines of the boat and then walk you through it, tell you a little bit about it. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 350 Verado. Okay, and we've also put a power pole on it. And if you look here, it's going to come with a jack plate as well. This is part of what makes up the Pro package. All right, so the power pole and the jack plate, they come on board. Okay, so in the Dauntless Pro, it's going to come with these two aft seats with removable backrests, cushions here, and then if you look underneath of these are storage compartments. In the center is a Livewell, okay, and then this is the same as that side, all right? So back here in the back, there is a boarding ladder right here on this side. And there's access compartment underneath that lid right there. In case you had to do some servicing on it. Now, if you look around here, this is your standard leaning post that comes in the Pro. It's also going to come with an optional slide-out Yeti cooler. So you just pull a little pin there and then slide the cooler out towards you, and then move it out of your way when you're in the midst of fishing. Now, if you look forward on your helm here, this is your leaning post seat. This is the standard seat that comes with it, with the backrest and the rod holders, as well as the rocket launchers above head. If you look at them, they do align to where you could have them all in there and they're not running into each other. Now, what makes it the Pro is this access here. See this access hole in the top up here to drive from up there or down here. That does have a closing where you can close it off so it doesn't rain in there or whatever. But you'll see that is what makes it. So you climb up on here, it stands up there to drive. So you got controls up there, trim tabs, gauges, everything you need. Okay, then it's also equipped here with a tilt helm. This particular model also has the Fusion stereo system in here and the active trim. Active trim is your engine trim, your trim tab trim with that you can set on auto or manual. Okay. And this side, you do have storage compartment, and in this particular case, we have the porta potty. Plenty of storage down here. Your batteries are down there, kept dry. Because this model is so fishing focused, you'll find that I showed you the live well there in the back, and there's another one here forward. Right here, a second live well. It shows you all the rod holders back there, and then there's some more rod holders right here, even a cup holder for the passenger in this position. And everything stays out of your way. Plenty of rods, so you're ready to go for the big catch. Okay, so in the bow, nice bow seating forward here. These will flip up like this to become a backrest for like a chase lounge. You can stretch out up here and even have cup holders on the sides and what we call a low profile bow rail instead of the big kind of obnoxious bow rail. So this is the sleeker, more sporty design. Forward you have an insulated fish box area right here, okay, which will drain overboard. All right, doesn't have to be popped out, just pull a plug. Okay, and you'll notice in the Pro model with the special features, with the upper station, with the trolling motor, with the jack plate, with the power pole, all of it comes as a bundle in that Pro package. Okay, so if you're interested in the 24 Dauntless Pro or any other boat that we may carry in the Boston Whaler line, come on down to Key Largo, North Key Largo, MarineMax. The number is 305-367-3969.